The European Academy of Folk Medicine is a rehabilitation, recreation and education center founded in 2010 in Świebodzice, Poland. Aleksander Herecki is the founder of the European Academy of Folk Medicine. He is known as the creator of the author's method of human organ regeneration, biological body rejuvenation, and integrated healing of chronic incurable diseases.
Our method cures most diseases that cannot be cured in any part of the world. Diseases such as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, cancer, myopathy. Few people know about these diseases, but those who know about their existence, who have seen them and especially who experience them, know that they are not only incurable but also deadly diseases. They are not treated with any medicines or methods. Modern medicine doesn't understand what we do here. Even for us, it is hard to believe in our results of treatment, as well as in fact that we can do what others cannot do. We have patients from all over the world. Sometimes there are patients from 6-7 different countries at the same time.
I came from Mongolia. About 7 months ago, I was diagnosed with ALS, which stands for amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So, of course, it was devastating news for me and for my family. And since then, we started looking for a place to go to treat. Unfortunately, we were not able to find any single place in this world who can treat this disease. And about 2 months ago, we found on the internet this place in Poland, which claimed that they can treat this very deadly disease. And I immediately decided to come to Poland, to Dr. Gorecki for treatment. Dr. Gorecki is this very unique method, or the methodology for treatment is very striking. And the people, I believe, who are in here for treatment are all very happy. And although I know that this treatment is not an easy one to treat, I'm not expecting quick and fast recovery. I believe that I need to continue my treatment, maybe for a second or third course of treatment. And after that, I fully believe and trust that I will get rid of this disease from my body. We don't take any tablets, any medicine, which is quite surprising, I would say, for patients and for family members as well. So this is very traditional treatment, which I believe that it can help, significantly can help to get rid of these diseases and become fully healthy man.
The principle upon which the treatment is based is that the immune system is restored with the help of easy procedures. Then we make the human body heal itself by influencing the immune system. All the cells in organs and in the whole body begin to rejuvenate. This happens without a single pill and injection. After a full course of rejuvenation procedures, our patients look at least 10 years younger without any plastic surgery, and they feel young, energetic, and healthy.
Over a year ago, I was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer at the head of the pancreas, and there was little change on the body of pancreas. Metastases were found in the liver and the lymph nodes were enlarged. Recognition of the diagnosis were confirmed by computer tomography. After the diagnosis, I was looking for help in cancer centers, oncologists, and all of them claimed that surgery cannot be done with such changes. On the internet, I found the European Academy of Folk Medicine and decided to come here to continue my treatment. It has been more than a year and I'm still alive. The procedures used in treatment here are not easy, sometimes they are unpleasant and require some effort. You can even say bring suffering, since it is all the work on the body. Some massages are difficult to sustain, however some procedures are very nice, for example sauna and solarium. Yes, but gymnastics and other things are not so pleasant. Anyway, all you do here is for your health. After a 2-week treatment, I did a CT scan, which showed that my tumors has been halved. Moreover, one of it completely disappeared, while others still remain and lymph nodes decreased by half. Doctors were surprised. The doctor who performed a CT scan, also the first one, said that she was surprised because no one ever got so good news with this diagnosis.
Jest zdziwiona, bo nigdy nikomu nie przekazywała z takim rozpoznaniem tak dobrych wieści.
My daughter was the first person of my family who visited the clinic. She has a blood disease. She was systematically visiting Moscow hospitals for about 8–10 years. The diagnosis was confirmed and nothing could be done. Blood transfusions were done very often, every 4–5 months at the beginning, and then more and more often, until it came to transfusion once in a half of the month. She has been searching for treatment centers and found this clinic through the internet. She was here a few times. Currently, there is no need in blood transfusions for her, and she feels great. Her daughter and my granddaughter was also here for the treatment. She has prophylactic treatment. She feels good, brisk and cheerful. I came here because of the heart problems and symptoms, which were the consequences of that problems. The first treatment lasted a month, and there have been positive results. I feel better than after the first treatment. My health is getting better and better. I also have spine problems. I needed to turn the whole body when wanted to see something. After the procedures and treatment, such as manual therapy and bioenergy therapy, my spine is more agile. My neck also moves in any direction. Left, right, up and down. Everything happens without any pain. I feel really good.
The Academy has earned high accolades from its patients during its existence. There is an individual approach to each patient. The attentive staff of the Academy does everything necessary on behalf of patients, makes efforts for their most comfortable accommodation, and maintains personal contact with patients, making their stay at the Academy the most comfortable and enjoyable one.
My disease caused the situation when I had to be moved on a chair to the 4th floor because the building has no elevator. My body was in such bad condition. I was almost in a coma. I were constantly sleeping and were waking up only for physiological needs. The situation lasted for several months. When I returned after a 10-day treatment in a military hospital in Wrocław, my daughter accidentally found the information on the internet that there is a small town near Świdnica called Świebodzice where lives Alexander with his extraordinary abilities. I immediately asked my son and wife to bring me here, so they did. After a short conversation, Alexander said he would try to help me. I felt better after 5 days of treatment, and to my surprise, I was able to come here myself by car on the 6th day without any help. This medicine helped me a lot. Alexander told me that he would treat me here, but I have to give up some medicines and then I'll see that it will help me. That was exactly what happened. My body functioned very well after treatment during the month. I felt very good, but after a while my body reminded itself to take medications and I began gradually supplementing. Almost 2 years passed, and as you see, I am on my feet, and my body is functioning well.
I have a very serious disease. It is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. I was in the Moscow hospital. I took all possible drugs, but there was no result at all. I came here 3 weeks ago. I found out about the academy from the internet, and I came here despite my doubts. In addition to this very serious and incurable disease, I also had a problem with my legs, which had a non-healing wounds for a long time, almost for 32 years. When I arrived to the academy, Mr. Alexander had noticed my problems. He smeared it with the ointment, and a miracle happened. My legs stopped itching almost after 3 days of treatment. These parts of my body have been cured. My apartment here is on the 3rd floor. It was very difficult for me before to go up the stairs to such a high floor. Right now, during the day, I go up and down the stairs a few times, and I am not even thinking that it was very difficult for me before. The secret of healing used in practice in the academy is an integrated impact on the physical body, the subconscious mind, and the soul of the sick person. People usually refer disparagingly to their health. They absolutely do not take into account the needs of their organism. According to Alexander Heretsky method, only a man can cure himself.
There are many people who do not believe in what we do not believe in positive results. If I were in their shoes, I would also not believe that. It is hard to believe in words of the person engaged in folk medicine who offers to do what could not be done until now. The whole science spent billions of dollars on various researches and developments of various medicines and still is unable to defeat the diseases that are treated in academy. All you need to do is just believe it.
All these developments can help any human body to self-heal if a sick person himself desires it.